What happens when you turn an ordinary day into an opportunity to spread kindness? The possibilities are endless and the impact can be far-reaching. Imagine this: you're in line at a coffee shop just going about your daily routine. The person ahead of you is short a few dollars. They fumble through their wallet, looking worried and embarrassed. You step in and pay for their drink without a second thought. A simple act, but the look on their face, priceless. Their gratitude is evident and it warms your heart.
Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. You've made my day.
Maybe you leave a note on a neighbor's door, a small gesture that can mean so much, thanking them for always brightening your day. Imagine their surprise and joy when they read it. Or you help an elderly person with their groceries, making their day a little easier. These small gestures might seem insignificant, but their impact can be profound. They create ripples of positivity.
Wow, thank you for helping me with these bags. It means a lot. Your kindness is truly appreciated.
Kindness is like a spark that ignites a flame. It starts small but can grow into something beautiful. It has the power to transform ordinary moments into extraordinary ones, creating memories that last a lifetime. It's about noticing those around us and extending a helping hand, a warm smile, or a kind word. These actions, though small, can make a world of difference. Remember the person at the coffee shop, the one who received that warm cup of coffee with a smile. What if that simple act of kindness turned their whole day around? Imagine the power of a small gesture. Maybe they were feeling down, burdened by the weight of their day, but your generosity gave them the boost they needed to keep going. That's the amazing thing about kindness. It has a ripple effect. One small act can spread far and wide, touching many lives.
That coffee really made my day. I think I'll do something nice for someone else today. Maybe I'll buy a coffee for a stranger or help a friend in need.
When you show kindness to someone, it not only impacts them, but also those around them. It creates a wave of positivity that can uplift an entire community. They might be inspired to pay it forward, creating a chain reaction of positivity and goodwill.
I found this note on my desk today. It just made me smile and feel appreciated. It was a reminder that someone cares.
Imagine the joy of receiving an unexpected note of appreciation. It can brighten your day and lift your spirits, or the relief of someone offering a helping hand when you need it most. These moments of kindness are priceless.
Finding this note reminded me that there are good people out there. I needed that today. It gave me hope and renewed my faith in humanity.
These acts of kindness create connections, bringing people closer together. They foster a sense of community, making us feel like we belong, and they remind us that we are not alone. In a world that can sometimes feel isolating, kindness is a powerful force that unites us all. The beauty of kindness is that it doesn't have to be grand or expensive. It's often the simplest acts that leave the most lasting impressions. It's the little things that often mean the most. A smile, a kind word, or a small gesture can brighten someone's day. Holding the door open for someone, offering a genuine compliment, or lending a helping hand when someone needs it, or simply listening with an open heart. These small gestures can make a world of difference. They show that we care and that we are present.
Someone held the door open for me today. It was such a small thing, but it made me feel seen and valued. It was a reminder that even the smallest acts of kindness can have a big impact on someone's day.
Think about a time when someone went out of their way for you. Maybe they offered a kind word when you needed it most, or helped you in a moment of need. How did it make you feel? Chances are it brought a smile to your face and warmed your heart. Chances are it brought a smile to your face and warmed your heart. These moments of kindness create lasting memories. Now imagine the joy you can bring to others by spreading that same kindness. Each act of kindness creates a ripple effect, touching more lives than we can imagine.
Donating these items feels good. Knowing they'll help someone else makes it all worth it. Knowing they'll help someone else makes it all worth it. It's a simple way to make a big difference in someone's life.
Kindness is a gift that keeps on giving. It not only benefits the recipient, but also the giver. It not only benefits the recipient, but also the giver. When we practice kindness, we cultivate a sense of purpose, gratitude, and connection. When we practice kindness, we cultivate a sense of purpose, gratitude, and connection. It's a powerful way to build a better, more compassionate world for everyone. Have you ever noticed how kindness seems to be contagious? When we witness acts of kindness, it inspires us to do the same. It's like a positive feedback loop, creating a more compassionate and caring world. Imagine a world where people go out of their way to help each other, where smiles are abundant, and where kindness is the norm. It might seem idealistic, but it all starts with each of us.
When we choose kindness, we create a ripple effect that extends far beyond ourselves. We inspire others to do the same, and together we can create a world where kindness prevails.
Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself to perform one act of kindness every day. It doesn't have to be anything major, just something small to brighten someone's day.
Pay for the coffee of the person behind you.
Leave an uplifting note for a stranger.
Help someone with their groceries.
The possibilities are endless.
As you go about your day, be mindful of the opportunities to spread kindness. You might be surprised by how much joy it brings, both to others and to yourself.